topic is Boolean theorems and Boolean laws. We see the theorems of Boolean algebra. Okay, here 0 plus 0 is equal to A and 0 plus A is equal to A and A plus 1 is equal to 1 and next A into 0, 0 into something is 0 and A into 1 is A and A plus A is A and A into A is A and A plus AB equal to A. These are the Boolean theorems. And next, and A double complement value is A and A plus AB equal to A and next A plus AB bar that is equal to A plus B. Okay, and next A plus B into A plus C that is equal to A plus BC. You can write the A plus B into A plus C that is equal to A plus BC. Okay, and next laws of Boolean laws. First one is the commutative law. In commutative law, the first one is the addition of commutative law. That is A plus B equal to B plus A. This is the multiplication of commutative law. That is AB equal to BA. And next one is the associative law. This is the addition of associative law. That is A plus into B plus C. That is equal to A plus B into plus C. This is the addition of associative law. And next one is the multiplication of associative law. That is A into BC. That is equal to AB into C. This is the multiplication of associative law. And next law is distributive law. The first one is addition of distributive law. That is A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Okay, and this is the multiplication of distributive law. That is A plus B into C plus D. That is equal to A plus B into C. These are the theorems of Boolean algebra. And next, postulates and fundamentals. Okay, these are the postulates. First five postulates. That is A plus Z. A plus 0 is equal to A and A plus A bar equal to 1. Here A bar indicates value is 0. Okay. And next A plus B equal to B plus Z. B plus A. And next A plus B plus C equal to A plus B into plus C. Okay. And next A plus into B into C, that is equal to A plus B into A plus C. Okay. And next A into 1 equal to A and A into A bar value is 0. That is 0 and A into B equal to B into A and next A into B into C, that is equal to A into B into C. This is the associative law and this is the commutative law. This is the complement, this is the identity. Here this is the commutative law, associative law and next one is the distributive law. That is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. These are the three laws of the Boolean algebra. This is the commutative complement. Here the complement, A complement value is 0 and uncomplement value is 1. Okay, these are the postulates and next one is the Boolean theorems. Here A plus A, you can write the A and A plus 1 you can write 1 and A plus A into B that is equal to A. Okay, and next A plus A into B whole bar that is equal to A plus B. You can solve this and next A plus B equal to A into B. Okay, and next A into A. A into A is A and A into 0 is 0 and A into B plus C you can write A. Okay, and next A into A bar plus B that is equal to A into B. These are the theorems, Boolean laws and Boolean theorems. So, and next see the proofs. And this is the commutative law. Okay, this is the commutative law of addition. Okay, here A is considered either 0 or 1. considering the A into B. Okay. Here commutative. What is commutative law? A plus B equal to B plus A. This is the addition of commutative law. You already know. Here OR gate is there. Plus indicates the OR logic. Here plus indicates the OR logic. That is equal to AB are the inputs and produces the A plus B. Here B, A are the inputs and produces the output is B plus A. This is the addition of commutative law. And next see the associative law of addition. Here A plus into B plus C, that is equal to A plus B into C. Okay. Here we observe this is R. Plus indicates the R logic, that is A, and here B plus C is connected to the R logic, that is B plus C are the inputs and output is B plus C. Here the function is connected to the R logic, that is R logic, that is equal to A plus into B plus C. Okay, that is implied that is equal to A plus B, that is given to the R logic. Okay, that is this is the R logic, that is A plus B into C plus C. Okay, this is the associative law of addition. And next, distributive law. This is the addition of distributive law, that is A into B plus C, that is equal to AB into BC. Here in distributive law we are using the R logic and AND logic also. Okay, that is B plus C. We are using the R logic, that is OR gate logic. And next here we observe this is the A into B plus C. So A is connected to the AND gate. This is the X. X is the output. That is equal to AB. A dot B. Here dot indicates the AND gate. That is A, B are the inputs and output is AB. And next A into C. That is equal to AND gate logic. That is AC. Both are connected to the OR logic. So this is the OR logic. That is equal to here X is the output. Okay. And next, proof of the postulates. Here A plus 0. Here A is considered either 0 or 1. Okay, A is considered either 0 or 1. Here we given the this is the OR logic. Plus indicates the OR logic. So OR gate, we draw the OR gate. Here first see the A equal to 1. 1 plus 0. Okay, what is the OR function? If two inputs are low, then output is low. In other cases, output is 1. Okay, 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, and next 0. A is considering 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Here, output observe either 0 or 1. That is X is the output. X equal to A plus 0 equal to A. This is the first theorem. And next see the second theorem, that is, and next theorem is A plus 1. Okay, here also A is considering either 0 or 1. Okay, in OR logic 1 into 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, here X is the output. A is considered the 0 or 1. 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0, that is always 1. Okay, this is the second theorem. And next see the third theorem. This is the third theorem, that is A into 0, that is equal to 0. Okay, here A dot indicates the AND gate. Okay, here also A is considering either 0 or 1. In AND gate function, if two inputs are high, then output is high. Okay, here 1, 0. Two inputs are different, so output is 0. If two inputs are low, then output is also low. This is 0. Okay. Then finally X is the output. A into 0 is 0. 0 is the output. This is the third rule. And next, fourth rule is A into 1. Here A dot indicates the logic. That is a 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so a into 0 is the 1. Okay, a into 1 equal to a. Here a is considered either 0 or 1. This is the fourth rule. And next see the fifth rule. Here a plus a equal to a. Here a is essentially either 0 or 1. Okay, here plus indicates the OR logic. That is 0 plus 0 0 and 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, that implies the output is either 0 or 1. Here a 0 or 1 is essentially a. Then finally a plus a equal to a. Okay, this is a fifth Boolean rule. And next is the sixth rule. Here a plus a bar equal to 1. Okay, how to get the 1? Here we observe plus indicates the OR logic. Here a is essentially either 0 or 1. Okay, this is the complement. If a is value is 0, then complement of the a value is 1. Okay, here 0 plus 1, that is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, then finally output is bit is 1. If you given the a plus a bar, the value is 1. Okay, x is the output. Okay, this is the sixth Boolean rule. And next is the seventh rule. Here a into a. Here a dot indicates the AND gate. Okay, here a is considering either 0 or 1. Okay, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, that is finally the outputs are either 0 or 1. You get the either 0 or 1 outputs. 0 or 1 outputs are essentially a. Okay, essentially a. So finally a into a equal to a. This is the seventh rule. Okay, and next you see the eighth rule. Here a into a bar equal to 0. That is a bar. Here a bar value is 0. If you given the a input is 1, a bar value is 0. If you given the a is 0 and a complement value is 1. Okay, here a is considering either 0 or 1. Okay, if you given the a value is 1, a complement value is 0. In both AND gate is there. Okay, 1 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 1 is 0. So finally the output is 0. That is a into a bar equal to 0. This is the 8th rule, Boolean rule. And next see the 9th rule. Here a bar equal to a. How to get the? Here we are using the NOT gate. Okay, in NOT gate single input is we are using. If you given the a input, then output is a bar. And next apply the NOT gate. Here a bar, the input is to the NOT gate, then a double bar. Here a double bar, you can write the a. Okay, here simply written as here a is 0, then NOT gate is output is a bar. That is connected to the another NOT gate. Here a double bar, double complement is essentially 0. Okay, here a input is 1. Here a complement of the output is 0. Here another NOT gate is a, then output is a double complement is equal to 1. Okay, that finally you can write the a double bar equal to a. This is the 9th Boolean rule. And next series a plus a bar b equal to a plus b. Here a is written as a plus ab. This is the, and next a bar b. Since a is written as a plus ab. Okay, and next this is is the LHS. That is equal to A plus in both the B variable is common variable A plus A bar. Here A plus A bar value is 1. Then finally A plus B. Okay, this is the RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, these are the Boolean laws. Okay, here A plus A is written as A plus AB. How to write the A? Here in both A value is common variable, that is 1 plus B. Here 1 plus any variable is A, that value is 1. Okay, that is 1. That is A. Okay. Here A plus AB equal to A. This is the another Boolean rule. These are the Boolean rules and Boolean theorems. Okay. Thank you. And next topic is difference between the Mealy emission and Moore emission. We already know what is Mealy emission. The Mealy emission is the outputs are depends on the present inputs and present states only. Okay. And coming to the Moore emission, in Moore emission the outputs are depends on the only present state. That is the main first point. The outputs are depends on the present states and present inputs. Okay, in Mealy emission. Coming to the Moore emission, the outputs are depends only present states. Okay, this is difficult to design the Mealy circuit. It is Moore emission is easier design. Okay, in output is if the input is changed, then output is also changes in the Mealy emission. Coming to Moore emission, the input is changes, then output is does change. Okay, here also changes. Okay, here in Moore emission, here the more number of states are present because the outputs are depends on the present states only. Comparing the Mealy emission, the less number of states is required because here the outputs are depends on the present states and present inputs also. So it is difficult to design, and comparing the Mealy emission easy to design. Okay, here the Mealy emission is asynchronous output generation, and this is the synchronous output state generation. Okay, and here the output is placed in the transition. Here transition is indicates the slash. Okay, input by output. This is the transition. the Murray machine, the output is placed on states only. Here the states are represented in circle. That is, here for example, if state A, the output is 1. Here the output is placed on only states. Okay, these are the difference between the Miller machine and Murray machine. Thank you.